Hi, and welcome to Easy Way channel. In this video I will show you how to repair programs that you have installed on your Windows 10 computer. If you have some program that you had no problems to use and suddenly it won't start, or it doesn't run properly when you launch it, you can always try to repair it. Before we start, hit that like button while I come back. Okay. First you need to go to your Start. Left-click and select Settings. Here select Apps. Under Apps and Features option, you will have list of all apps that you have installed on your computer. When you click on some of these apps, you will have advanced options here, so click on it. Scroll down and you will see Reset option. First option under Reset is to repair the app. It says, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. And when you see this check mark, launch the app to see is your app now working correctly. Second option is to reset the app. It says, if this app isn't working, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. This option, as you see, will delete your data. So run this option with caution, because you might lose all data that you have associated with this app. In other words, you will be getting this app as you had it first time you launched it, fresh installed. Now we will go back to list of our apps. You will notice that almost every app that came with your Windows will have this advanced option. But any custom app that you installed on your own will most likely have only the uninstall option. For that apps you will not have option to repair it. You will have some apps, like Microsoft Edge, that have modify option, so click on it. Click Yes on this window. This window will open, and you will have repair option here. So click on it to repair Microsoft Edge. Some custom apps like Crosshair, that I have on my PC, have advanced option, and you can repair or reset it. Some of them, like Razer Cortex, which is also custom app from my mouse, will have modify option. When I click on it, it will open the app and let me choose to repair or modify it inside the app. Just be careful when you resetting any app, because you could lose all of your data there. With this, we came to the end of this video. I hope that you found solution for your problem in this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.